I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook white rice on the stove. First, select a medium-sized saucepan with a tight-fitting lid. This is crucial for proper steaming. Next, measure out 1 cup of white rice. It's important to rinse the rice under cold running water until the water is completely clear. This simple step washes away extra starch, which helps prevent the rice from becoming overly sticky and ensures a wonderfully fluffy texture every time. Now let's get the water ratio right. For every 1 cup of rice, you'll need 1 3/4 cups of cold water. Add this to your saucepan along with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt for a little extra flavor, if you like. Place the pan on your stove over medium-high heat and bring the water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Keep the lid off during this initial boiling phase. As soon as the water reaches a full, rolling boil, it's time to reduce the heat. Turn your burner down to the absolute lowest setting. Then, quickly and securely place the lid on the saucepan. It's vital that the lid fits tightly to keep all the steam trapped inside. Allow the rice to simmer gently for precisely 17 minutes without lifting the lid at all. Once the 17 minutes of simmering are complete, take the saucepan off the heat entirely. Do not remove the lid yet. Let the rice continue to rest, covered, for another 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in perfectly cooked grains. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving to achieve that ideal, separate, and fluffy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.